Hey, Romiech, you better go baptize and go on a church, brother. I tell you that, because you see anything or anyone will ramp with the rock you're moving forward. The judgment, them now go normal, we are going to meet up and no.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up and welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, we're there with a hot one, my people. My people, you don't know, God is the greatest. So, we have to give thanks for life, my people. Yo, my people, the thing hot in the morning here. Queen Ifrica go live and address all situations. You understand? Queen Ifrica go live, my people, and Queen Ifrica address the government. She take on Romiech wicked. And guess what? Drum roll, my people. Queen Ifrica file court documents against her father, my people. And you don't know what the charge is about. For years now, she has been speaking in the media about her father doing things to her, my people. My people, I have the full video phone. You understand? Me I beg you to go and like up that video here, share up that video here, and subscribe, my people. Me I go drop the full video phone right now. Bless up on yourself. Jamaican Chat. I'm out.
Romiech, you're going to hell. You're going to hell, brethren. From you came into the industry, you do everything to protect sodomism and to introduce sodomism in culture. Remember again, Mr. Romiech, that it was your camp who came out and told us to take a vaccine that we are now finding out was even a vaccine. You use your artists, them just like how you're using the people now that you say you're on social media and you're gathering up the poor little youth them who was on social media during the said COVID time giving people joke, whatever, even if the joke them did carny, them would have give them joke. You round them up, use the little youth birthday as a pawn, filleting demons from we young people them from we island brethren. And that your camp do, Romiech. And the other camps them will take away music from the real people them. The real selector them now get no work. The real artists them now get no work. The real disc jockey them now get no work on radio station. The real journalists them now get no work in the media houses them. The real people them are being shoved into a corner. You know who those people are? Those people are the owners of Jamaica. Right now as we speak, the labor right government is not a government. They are illegal in the country, right? And also, the PNP government that is breaking them neck to come in, they are also the ones, as you can see for yourselves, facilitating the New World Order beast that needs to rule out of Jamaica. Now, if Jamaica people, the ones who have sense, the ones who are not in the careless Ethiopians, that will go down in the judgment that is coming. Seeing? If I and I now don't stand up and show the world that that is what they see displaying of Jamaica, that is not Jamaica, that is not the real Jamaica, and the real Jamaica will stand up soon, but it will not be in the form of a fake protest by Kabu Mahad Karu them, who just want protest for beach and want come protest for ancestor rights, for the unity. Yes, we know that we black brothers came on the ship in the transatlantic slave, but there were free people here on the island before all of that happened. We are the descendants of those free people. Don't send me go ask no more artists for help, because right now at this stage we're not asking for no help anymore. We're using the regular people of the community. Just like our Flagstaff have Paramountship, we're going to use the Paramountship that Flagstaff have to try to make some touchable changes in the country, in the Maroon communities. I am telling every single Maroon community that I've been hearing that Queen Ifrica is mad, that I'm crazy, that's sitting wrong with me. I am telling you that all I am doing is asking the ones them to let us have peace, Let us have a meeting where all of us can meet around the truth returning to the people of Jamaica, the truth returning, the country operating out of the truth that our ancestors left for us as a legacy. So when I saw all of these influencers and all these bloggers and vloggers that they put up on the social space, we did see from early what their purposes was for, because they knew that everything was going to be moving online, and so therefore they would have to position themselves to make sure that the influence that they were doing in the analog days, they could bring it over onto the online scene. And now we're seeing that a youth like Romiech, with him sadomism and him demons, them where him carry come, a Swiss Lee party. Swiss Lee know say enough to dance with the devil, youth. Don't dance with the devil, because the devil love to dance, kid. So when you dance with the devil is gonna dance back with you. Be ready when you're dancing with the devil. Be ready to dance, because the devil love to dance. You see what I say? So that reach the item come to Jamaica, come fly in a God face, talk up on a bag of sadomism and talk how sadomism win now. And Romiech can big up him chest and laugh off a real Jamaicans and mock we. And make it look like nobody don't hear no more, because everybody get where them supposed to get from we now, so we can stop eat KFC. Stop eat KFC. Stop drink rum. It is alleged for right now that Bill Gates have shares in D&G. It is alleged. It is alleged. Seeing, but want the item to understand that they are using you guys as experiment. Nobody love you so much to get up every day and fry all of these chicken, you know. You notice one of the youth when him Lulu we come with Swiss Lee them at the party where him say them go to the river and him couldn't understand. Everybody was eating chicken. What this gonna make them do, no Jamaican people? Them use food and change the DNA. Them use food and drinks and trick you. And now you don't know yourself no more. You don't know yourself no more. Because them have know where them want to know. And that's why Romiech them, me tell, Foota say I wrong side, him a bad for him now. Listen me, you know. Because if him think say, them the people where him line up over there, so a cheer for. Any better than these way and them way out. He make a sad mistake in a people. We up against two different type of devil. One leaving and one coming in. Seeing? Now is the time for Jamaican people tell the world, say, it's not all we down here give a soul to the devil. It's not every Jamaican give them soul. I don't have nothing to prove to no one anymore, you know. Because it was not about proving anything to anyone, you know. It was about standing up and knowing, say, there is a country where deserve a little bit more than is given to it by all of these people who claim that they love Jamaica so much. You see, you Jamaicans in the diaspora, is a reason why they scattered you out there. Is a reason they know that a people without a country is not a nation. So them just go have you out there and drain you out under slavery, you don't have no head pound, no body, you don't know what to do with yourself. That's why when you sit down on TikTok and indulge in these little devil where them put up there for that. The very reason for distract you from God, for telling you say you can wrong and strong, you can do as you like and be as you like, you can be anything and be a star, because that is what it means to be a star. Don't strive to be a star, man. Strive to be a change maker, and a change maker for a positive reason. Show people say you did the but now you do something better with your life and you try to help people along with you. The whole of you come on Swissly, you make sure you come out with for your upside down cross. You never see the shirt, it have an upside down cross on it. The whole of you decay, you know what you do. The only thing why I can't agree with the one down a mobile name Brittany for true, she bad mind for truth, if you call a spade a spade. That what she did was bad mind, and so you deal with things even if you have an issue around that. But then again, them will not have a shape the narrative in a young people in a Jamaica. They are the one who everybody must see as Rosalie. Are you people if you come see as role model. Nobody no remember where you come from pan social media. Even as a little sister in where, yeah, we did say you're big enough here and yeah, do your thing. The whole I want to sell no soul to the devil because of the things we want to sit down on that app and do a daytime and go on like say nobody not see it. And most importantly, you know, go on like say God not seeing. You know, if you leave Jamaica, you know, hate Jamaica so much, leave Jamaica now. If you don't hate Jamaica so much and not care about how young people them live and how young people them operate, just leave the country. Don't change your identity. Do like the little girl we're married to the big mouth athlete boy where they engage now. Do like she. Cuss on the country and turn on the back and go on. You understand? The whole I want to choose money over God. Jamaica people never used to frighten over money. Jamaica people never used to go on like money and nothing. We are the feisty set of people then. When we don't have nothing, we wall it. We wall out. We know how to wall out. We know how to work and do what we look what we have to do. Jamaica people no beg. Real Jamaican people no beg. Real Jamaican people no beg. Real Jamaican people, original Jamaican people no beg. And because you no kill them out. You see the government and the opposition, them have figure a world court. Them figure world court for the genocide against original Jamaican people. We no kill out the real inhabitants of the island and take away the island and raise up the demon them we uno raise up as Jamaicans and them we no call Jamaican. We no kill out the real Jamaican them. We no kill them out and sodomize them out. We no sodomize them out and I try force them to accept say them a sodomite. Them are no sodomite. They never believe in them something. They are forced. We no force them. A rape, we no rape them and I force them. You see that paper here? As me a talk about rape. I see in place here so me see about my father rape. And see it here? Then finally come find me and send court papers. You think me afraid? Me not afraid because he rape me for true. He rape me for true. He rape me for true. And me go to court. And me go sit down in a court and me go talk what happened for true. You understand what I answer? Because the time come now for we stop afraid of predators in this island. And people where are rape with children them and turn them in a gay advocates. After you rape with kids them and sodomize them, you no come and take them and turn them in a gay advocates too. Yes, Derek Morgan, yeah, your son them. Yes, me get the papers. Me not follow no protocols of law neither because me don't know nothing about law. Me just about to go look into it you know. But as me attack and I write so me sit down, me make sure put the right so from yesterday because I hear so me sit down and talk the truth. Me not afraid of the devil. Me will never be afraid of the devil. Me no plan for afraid of the devil. No dear. And no one no have no big secret where them a come drop on me because me didn't want me to become slut and whore. And I me if you come be the queen for rebel them and TC them. Rebel them and TC them a goddess. A slut, they want turn them in and want them to believe so them are not nothing. And them for just walk and whine out and skin out themselves and them a lesbian today and tomorrow them straight and tomorrow them a lesbian. Move and go and make me start cuss no. Because I don't know when I grow and erode them, I come back up, you know. See, me want to know say a time now for the people them who been hurting in this island to stop hurt. Stop make these people and make no hurt. My father wrong for do what him do to me. Because him was supposed to be the one when me supposed to could have go lean pan and go say, Daddy, you know say them thing you reach me and them thing you happen to me. The funny thing about that, me did tell him those things already where did happen to me before me meet him. And he did only see me as somebody when could have be pray upon cause him never see me as him daughter. And that is why him could have do me. Blind is no excuse. None of them something no excuse. That not mean to say you're not strong. That means say you not have strength. He did what he do that night. And now that them me get the court paper. Yes, American court them organ. Me want to know if you know. Yeah, me get the court paper. Them and my heart no leap. I'm not afraid. Me ready. Figure a court and go talk my side. And make Derek Morgan come talk film side. Cause if you notice, that's why then go for the little transgender sodomite demon sin thing. Down the so Romiech take put up in a hotel. I come try use Jamaica for sensitize, for desensitize Jamaica towards transgender. We're moving up. I'm telling you something, man. It not gonna work. It not gonna work down here. We're standing up and we're standing up against the devil and we're not hiding. We're not putting anything behind no closed doors. We attack how we go. We not run from uno no more. Andrew Oldest. Mark Golden, illegal upon the island, illegal upon the island, and we're going to take actions against because Uno been taking actions against we. And the actions that we are going to take is, we're not going to shed no blood this time. We are going to stand up and make uno know so we don't want no more, boy. We don't want to know no more. We're tired for we pity suffer. Oh, we get so much gain in Jamaica. Oh, we have so much gain in Jamaica. Where them come from? How them become so gay and so proud within the last 5 years or so? We have so much youth in Jamaica. We're willing to stand up and talk so them gay and proud. How come? How come? How come? But we don't like if me go on one side, go hide down. We don't like if me on one side, I cry down. We don't like if me on one side, I sell out. We don't soon see who I sell out, man. The whole of them name when me call, me not take back nothing. When me say about none of them, the whole of them are selling out. And I come in front of no face and I want to tell you, say I sell them, I selling out. Them are selling out. And I want to tell you now, Sean, 9K pong Sean, 9K pong 9 life. Line up yourself, because when we go live again, we are going live to talk some real raw truth about this island here. And what really are going down here. Because guess what? You say if Queen Ifrica got dead, at this me want dead for. Me no want dead for no foolishness. Me want dead for turn up and tell some people say Jamaica never was a slave country. Jamaica was a free country. I don't want to take away freedom and give it to Satan. I don't want to give Jamaica to Satan, and we're not having it. Romiech, burn you anywhere you're there in a valley youth. And me I tell you, say you allow Jamaica and something there where you come bright up your and come make it look like you are the biggest sodomite boy and you are the sodomite ambassador boy, and nobody can tell you nothing and nobody can talk to you, and you don't care when nobody say because Uno say Saddam and Uno say this and Uno say that. A Saddam against Saddam, you know, a GLP set a sodomite versus PNP set a sodomite go on in front of no face. And that don't know here. That's why I tell you to say, because I give thanks to Jamaica people, because I open their mind and I open them eye, because them see for themselves, say something wrong with a picture where them a paint boy, but they can't put their finger upon it. Well, we are going to help enough to put no finger upon it. And I just want to say again, no time now they hide nothing no more in another island here. Flagstaff, big up on yourself as a community where know the truth and been robbed and raped and never get no proper leader, no proper representative. Give thanks for the new council where they in a Flagstaff now, we can stand up and fire Grizzle. Because I want it to be said publicly that Michael Grizzle is no longer the chief of Flagstaff. So all of those who are riding with Michael Grizzle until further notice, until him can come in front of my face and tell me, say, Queen Ifrica, I am the chief of Flagstaff, then I will continue to be the ambassador and echo the sentiments of the populace of the people of Flagstaff community to say that Michael Grizzle is no longer the chief because he has done some very wrongs to the people and they don't want him as the chief no more. And I am calling on all the other Maroon communities to come forward now and let Jamaica people know that it's not all Maroons going with what Anu them doing. And don't make me have to come on this place here when social media come spread out the whole of Jamaica business in front of the world and mash up Jamaica. Because the ancestors say we never did supposed to mash up Jamaica, we did supposed to unite in a love and make the world see say the Maroon communities of Jamaica unite, the Maroon communities of the Caribbean, the Maroon communities of Africa, of America, and all those people who are follow back of these brethren who call themselves 9K Pong emperors, who are doing the wrong thing. They are all selling a sham. They are not paramount in no way, sense, or shape of the farm. It's a con, it's a farce. And that's why they all want me dead. That's why you hear them calling out in them different platforms for the head of Queen Ifrica. Because me decide say me now side of the people me a stand up with. Me not take no side with no family. Me not take no side with no Maroon group. Me not take no side with no PNP. Me not take no side with no labor right. Me take side with the people of the country. And the people that me take the sacrifice for. That me take the beating for. That me take the cussing for. That me can't have the freedom to talk without no one over me back with no whip. I tell me what to say. How if say it, make it cost me what it will. But if it's the truth, I go cost me what it will, I will be fine with that. I am telling you guys that the problem that we have in Jamaica can solve within the space of 24 fucking hours. If Richard Curry at the head right now of the Maroon leadership do the right thing by getting all the Maroon communities to unite around the ancestor will, not around PNP will, not around labor right will, not around a Moorish will, but around the will of the people getting justice. The Maroons them where did fight for the justice and never get none. The Maroons them where did sell out. A time for them get call out. A time for them go sit on one side. A time for them go say sorry to the ancestors. A time for them come say sorry to the people. Instead, them they in the background a farm alliance come keep Uno as subjects for the British for the rest of Uno life. Uno a plan for take that, or Uno a plan for tell them say no, no, no. We want the real thing where the ancestor want, which is unity. Unity. Not the unity for unite with ourselves to come push down Saddamism pan way. But unite for tell all these people that want to push down all these kind of demons and lifestyles on us that there's a God that governs. And that is the God that we listen to, and that is the God that we take advice from. Our ancestors were also of like-mindedness. That is why they stood. Naenkepong is the oldest name that they can find for God, to call God. So when you see a virgin a walk out and call himself emperor and a talk about him and we use Naenkepong, he's flying in the face of the Almighty. Because he's doing nothing that has to do with the Creator. They are digging graves and using it as a cover-up. They are using Naenkepong as a cover-up for their darkness. And the Almighty Creator do not want it anymore on the island, or else our island is going to sink away into the waters that is under us. The favor that God has been showing us will be no more. If you notice, they put a lot of fake storms now. They put in a lot of fake floods, and it's not impacting because the prayers of the island is stronger than the demons that are roaming around. So I am calling again on all like-minded people who know that there is a true and living Creator. There is an address for the truth in Jamaica. The address for the truth is in Flagstaff, Chilani Town, St. James. What is the truth? That is the paramount community.